Good morning, guys. We are out here again, day 2. Let's hope that today's the day. Lost a big fish yesterday. Man, it was a tough one. Lost a big fish yesterday, and we learned some lessons. I didn't set my drag, so I think there was just too much tension on the line and it broke. So it'll be interesting to see today. I've got my drag set. I've got the trusty Bandito bug on. Now this is another thing. So got these guys from Bass Warehouse. The advice there is amazing, eh? Go to the guys from Bass Warehouse. I mean, if it wasn't for guys like Brian, if it wasn't for the guys like Bass Warehouse, I don't know how I would even be fishing right now. So those guys gave us some great advice. Watermelon red fluke. It's a watermelon red fluke 7-pack Bandito bug. That's the one. I'm gonna steal one from Josh. Josh told me the bug is the drug. And that is so true. The bug is the drug. So Is it the birds? Is it the fish?
Huh?
Is it the bird? Is it the fish?
It's a Komodo dragon. That's what it is.
What?
It's like those Komodo dragons. You know those big ass...
Oh, those Legavons.
Big one. Have you ever seen how they go across water? No, these are almost deeper.
Yeah. Watch. Got him. It's not. But it's a fish. Hello, my friend. So, how's the bug? You like the bug? There we go. So, we've got the first one out of the way. It's okay, buddy. I'm going to let you go now. Come. That was the rule, eh?
Yeah, we didn't make the rules. We just followed them.
There we go. Right, that's a good sign. Oh, come on, buddy. Yes. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Yes. Got one. So guys, this is maybe a good idea to show you how this thing works. So as you can see, I'm stuck here, and no matter what I do, I'm going to be stuck here. So I've got this gadget I got from Bass Warehouse. Let me quickly show you how this thing works. Perfect opportunity to show you. Yeah, I know, this thing's stuck. So check here. Here we go. So normally you're not too worried when it's just a hook and a soft bait, but when it's a hard bait, especially an expensive one, then it becomes an issue. So let's go closer, yeah? So what's lekker about this gadget is you've got this weighted thing here. What you do is you tie this to your line. So what you do is, let's put that over there, get it out the way. Okay, so here's our problem here. So let's put this over here, and we rig that up like that. Then we drop that down there. See how much line it needs. Okay, there we go. And then what you do is you lift it up. And then you send it down with some force. And hopefully that'll get it loose. Welcome, Josh.
What?
No, I've got my bug that's stuck there. So I just want to see if I can
Get it out.
Yeah. And just like that.
Oh.
There it is. Look at that. So if you haven't got one of these, go down to Bass Warehouse. Go get one now. They're 299 Rand. And I cannot tell you how many lures, hooks, baits I've saved with this thing. 299 Rand. Guys always tell you it's gimmicky stuff. Well, let me tell you, these saw it now. I was proper stuck. And this thing got me out in like no time. So there you go. Okay, so we've got another situation here where it's a search and rescue. Okay, let me just try and get closer. Just grab that for me. Just want to get, there we go. Okay, let's hold on to that. Okay, let's get this goodie on. Okay, let's feel how deep it is. Okay. Okay, give me some line here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, there it is, right at the bottom there. Okay, reel and see if it's...
Yeah.
There we go, guys, look at that. There's another one. Just like that. You don't want to lose that guy. How much is that guy?
It's like $300.
300 bucks.
Squad, it's a sexy shad chatterbait.
Oh, sexy shad chatterbait. Look at that. In one 5-minute session, we got unstuck twice.
You saved me lots of tracks.
That's the way to do it. I'm telling you now. I think this is the Pesca Retriever. Go and get it from Bass Warehouse right now. $2.99. $2.99. I can't tell you how many times I've paid for this 3-4 times over already. It's as simple as that. Just stop wasting time and go get it now.
First bass on the kayak, baby. First bass in the kayak. Come here. First one on the kayak. I actually cannot believe it. Don't be an idiot now. Look here. I actually cannot believe it.
You broke the drought of not having fish.
You, my friend, are lucky bass. On the 7/4 inch Mondo worm. Check that. Hey?
There we go, well done.
Nice little release. Oh man.
You must feel so relieved. Eh?
It's like the curse is lifted. It's like now after every cast from now on I'm just gonna catch. But how's that, eh?
Man.
So the Guggen baits, I absolutely love them, but the issue is, check that.
Gone.
One fish gone. They soft. That's the issue, but they definitely do work. So Guggen, your baits definitely work, but they are a little bit soft, I must admit. Oh man, it's like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
Josh has finally got his first one on the kayak. The curse has been broken.
It's literally like a curse being lifted. Do you know what I did?
Yeah?
I did the old school technique that the buddies taught us.
Yeah?
I saw it taking, I did this. Saw it taking, did that, just watched it run.
No.
Just watched it run.
Yes, you were so calm. You didn't say anything.
No, because every time I've said something so far, what's happened? No fish. That's what's happened. No fish. That. Oh. I should take a photo of my camera.
And what colour is it?
What the? It's called blue fleck.
Oh, is it?
Have a look at it.
So is it like a bluey?
Have a check there.
Check. Oh yes.
Blue fleck.
Blue fleck. Okay. So the blue is what gets his oaks, eh? The blue, but then also, like if you look at what I've caught on the other thing.
Oh, I'm pushing you away. Sorry.
No, don't stress.
Look at the. Oh, let me try.
This thing's a bit big, I reckon.
Yeah, I'm looking, and this wind is pushing me heavily till here. So I don't know if we should just fish along here.
Yeah, let's try it.
Hey Jacques, check out. You ready? Mondo worm, come on. Come here. Come on. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh. Oh, you idiot. You're gonna... Stop it. Thank you. Safe release, Mondo worm gone. Oh shit, I think I hooked him in his gills. Got blood on my crunchy. Yeah, it is. Come on, baby. Mondo worm, blue flick, 7¼ inch. Oh, yeah, I have to give it line. I leaned all the way forward on my kayak, got a whole bunch of water in. So first time we came out, we had water in and we didn't realize that sponge, just like that. You literally just soak up all the water in the kayak and just take it out, just like that. Just like that. You see, soak up all the water. One more, maybe one more. Just dry. So if you do have a kayak, definitely one thing you have to get, sponge. And and also blue flick mondo worms, Guggen baits from Bass Warehouse. They were the ones they put me on it. Guys there, I asked him what's working, what's not working, what are the guys saying, and he said these ones. So those guys are always, so if you're anywhere near Bass Warehouse, always go in there. The guys are so helpful. They'll put you on which baits are working, which ones aren't. It's truly incredible.
After a run, there's almost no height in there.
Yeah,
We're gonna drive the back ends on concrete.
I know. No, I'll just pull it to the side rather and just take it. I'll go here, but I'll just pull it over the side instead of. Really? Well, check the oaks that we're fishing this morning. You know the guys that are from here? Remember this morning? Oh yeah. Yeah. Don't want to go too close. Yeah. Man, what a kiff session, eh?
You see, now if we only came out yesterday,
Oh, feel how warm the water is.
that's probably why they're so active.
Jeez, eh? It's so warm.
I wonder if that's why they're so active.
It could be. Yeah, it is warm, eh? Alright guys, it's another session done for today. We'll come out again tomorrow and we'll try a different spot and we'll keep telling you what works and what doesn't work, and so we learn.
Today the blue, what's it, blue flick 7¼ inch Guggen Squad mondo worm.
Mondo worm.
That was the bait today.
That was the one. Let's come back tomorrow, see what we can find.